Okay, so we're here once again at Suzuki Auto Cebu. Thank you so much for allowing me to review your unit of the hybrid Suzuki Ertiga. So we hope that you enjoy this video, guys. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. Okay, so right now we're here at the interior of the Suzuki Ertiga Hybrid. I'm so glad with what I'm seeing. Actually, it's very similar to the Suzuki XL7. If you haven't watched that, please watch that after you watch this video. Yeah, so far, you have very similar design over here. There's a very aesthetic looking material or accents from the side to the middle all the way to the other side. Okay, and then let's start here first. You have power folding side mirrors, which is good, and then you have your controls here for your windows. Okay, then to continue here with the side, on your left hand side, you have this controls for your traction control, parking sensors, and then your start stop system. That's one of the strengths of the Suzuki, if you like that feature. And then here is fabric material, guys. Okay, and then bottle holder and some space here together with your speakers. Then your seat height adjustment over here. Okay, that's really nice. And then of course your recline. So going back here at the first row, you have your vanity mirror for your passenger princess. Over here at the other side, on the driver's side, you have nothing. You have no mirrors, no lights. And then here, guys, you have your dome lights. Okay, then rear view mirror. All right, this is the design of your aircon vents together with your very large, guys, infotainment system. Really good. And then thankfully we have a push start button. Then let's continue here with your instrument cluster, combination of analog and digital. Okay, and then for your steering wheel, leather wrap, very nice to the hands, very nice to the feels. Then you also have the design that you have here, you also have it here. At least you have that touch of luxury in this car. And then you have here, guys, your controls for your infotainment system. All right, and then at the right hand side, you have a cruise control feature, which is really good. I know that's a very strong selling point for a lot of car buyers out there. Okay, let's continue on, going back to your infotainment display or your center console, hazard, and then your aircon controls over here, knob type, which I really love. And then here are your other controls for your air conditioning system. Okay, then you have here your power socket. Okay, I mean, this one is the power socket, and this one is the USB and auxiliary ports for your infotainment system. Okay, and then you have a space here, okay, for your things, coin and maybe your phone. And then what I also like again with Suzuki vehicles, they put here cup holders at the middle. I love it. And then you have ventilation for your drinks to keep them cold. And then let's proceed to your gear shifter. All right, there's the benefit compared to other brands. You have this matte black finish. Okay, for those of you who don't like glossy black, you have it here as matte black, so that's good for you. And then you just have a traditional or manual handbrakes. Okay, and if you can see, guys, sad thing is you don't have a center armrest. All right, so that's something that you're just gonna have to live with if you're gonna go for this car. Okay, again, there's the fabric seats is the design. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Now let's proceed to your second row seats. Okay, just a quick look. So with this being my normal driving position, I can say I have a very good amount of leg room. And in terms of the headroom, guys, sobrang very good amount of space. And then, yeah, let's proceed with what do you have with this second row. This is your view from the second row seats. So what you have here is your blower. Yan. You can adjust the level. Okay, that's really good. All right, and then let's go here at the left side. You have plastic material. All right, over here you have still the fabric material that you have, some space here, and bottle holders. All right, fabric seats. Then what I love about the Suzuki vehicles, specifically this segment, is, guys, the center tunnel is almost negligible. It's totally I think, guys, it's almost flat, so that's a strength of this vehicle, I guess. So now you have your toys here for your second row. You have a 12 volts 120 watt socket. Okay, there you go. Then that's all you have for the second row. And lastly, for your second row, guys, you have this beautiful armrest, very functional and very useful. No cup holders, but gets the job done. Here at the third row, guys, of the Suzuki Ertiga hybrid. So far, guys, I'm comfortable here at the third row. And then this is actually, adjusted to the second row seats. So far, still excellent amount of space. Here at your left side, you still have the bottle holder. All right, and then you have here at the right side as well, bottle holder. Okay, all right, no toys, I guess. I don't see any charging points. All right, even here on the left side, I don't think there's also a charging point. So that's it for the third row. And then here's your view from the third row. All right, here's your space as well for your third row, I mean your compartment. So what I can say, guys, ano ba yung verdict natin about the Suzuki Ertiga hybrid? So I can say that this car is one of those best family cars in terms of practicality. When we talk about practical, I think this one is really one of those who fits that category. And I really think that anyone who's looking for a family car that can, seat 7-seaters. If you have a larger family, I believe that this will be good enough. And especially for the kids here at the third row, it's gonna be good enough. And not to mention, as a driver, you get all of the perks, all of the advanced technology or features that you'll need nowadays, with reverse camera, parking sensor, and that's especially with cruise control. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go to your nearest Suzuki dealerships now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first and make Jesus Christ our King and Savior, that is when we truly win in life. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in this next video right here. Ciao.